Luzon, diverse. There is so much in Luzon. There is obviously Manila, that's the start of every trip. There is the northern part, that's the Manaware ice terraces and the big mountains. There is also Bicol, that's very unique, very beautiful. There are some crazy volcanoes, the Mayon volcano, a lot of different things you can do, and it's again huge. Like driving from one side to another is gonna take you a few days, so there's a lot to explore. Okay, so these are just a few islands I chose. There is so many more in the Philippines. I could make these videos for 2 hours, but let me know down in the comments, what do you think? Did I make it right, or you have other opinion about the islands, and what is your favorite island? Yeah, and see you on the road.